Hello, this video will show you how to find high-quality background research using databases like Credo Reference, Opposing Viewpoints, and CQ Researcher for getting started with your topic. Background research includes sources you're probably already familiar with, like dictionaries, handbooks, and encyclopedias. Finding background research or reference sources helps you understand your topic as a whole, and with citing basic information and definitions relating to your topic. It can also give you ideas for narrowing your topic, terminology related to your topic, or focusing on a specific argument, which is helpful if you're doing a debate or point of view essay. From hazylibrary.erau.edu, click on Databases and then select the database. We're starting with Credo Reference. You can see on the screen this database contains background information to start your research and includes over 1,000 encyclopedias and dictionaries from well-known, high-quality sources. If you're still looking for a topic, you can browse by subject, but if you have a topic idea in mind, put it into the search bar. For the Electoral College, we have a selection of articles from places like the Encyclopedia of American Political Parties and Elections, American Governance, the Princeton Encyclopedia of American Political History, Encyclopedia of American Government and Civics, and more. These are short factual reference sources that can help you understand concepts, definitions, issues, and terminology of your topic. This example gives you an overview of the Electoral College, then outlines the importance and problems associated with it, and outlines why we have it. This helps you prepare for digging into more in-depth analysis like you'll read in academic journals on your topic, and gives you a high-quality source of information which you can cite in your work. Credo Reference has citation tools, so you can choose a citation format or export to a citation manager like RefWorks. The next database we're going to look at is CQ Researcher, so I'm selecting that from the database drop-down menu. You can again use the search bar or browse by topic, which is great if you're not sure what you want to write about. I'm also going to try to find the Electoral College here, so I'm going to look under U.S. Supreme Court and Judicial System. So we have a report on the Electoral College here from May of 2024. This report can be navigated by the headings on the right-hand side. One feature of CQ Researcher is the pro-con section, which outlines different arguments on the topic. In this case, it's answering the question, should the U.S. president be elected by national popular vote? Just like Credo Reference, CQ Researcher is designed to get you familiar with your topic, focusing on brief history, current situation, outlook, and pro-con arguments. And of course, use the citation tools to keep your research organized by either copying the citation or exporting it to RefWorks. The final database we're going to check out is Opposing Viewpoints, which is very similar to CQ Researcher. And again, we're pulling it up from the database page. And just like before, you can either browse by issue or use the search bar. On the first page, we have a variety of resources. What's unique to Opposing Viewpoints are the viewpoint essays representing different sides of the issue. This can help you narrow your topic or explore various points of view on the topic. And you can click Read More for a report on your topic. This one covers the main ideas, the history, 21st century, and asks some critical thinking questions. And just like the other databases, you've got your Cite button, so you can cite the work or send it to your RefWorks account. Once you've familiarized yourself with your topic and narrowed your focus using these 3 background research resources, you're ready to find and analyze scholarly journals to support your research. Check out our video on using Eagle Search to quickly find scholarly articles. If you need additional help using background research resources or other research, please be sure to contact us.